Hey road race fans, if you're looking for a cool mod for your GSXR1000, I got it. These are swing arm extenders for road racing, so you can run a longer wheelbase. I make CNC machine these blocks and weld them into the swing arm so that you can run an extra about 1.25 inch wheelbase, swing arm length with this thing. So what it does is it's just a block of aluminum, gets welded into your swing arm, and it comes with a new nut, and it still utilizes the stock axle, and works pretty well. So the nut CNC machined, cut the threads in and everything. You can see that in there. Then I have a metal coating process that I coat the metal on it. That's a steel nut. I can make them out of titanium too. So the cool thing is when you're doing your wheel changes, you want to be able to do them quick and not have everything fall apart on you. So what I do is once you take the nut off, as you see I did, and you take the axle out and you're getting ready to pull your wheel out, these blocks, they're trapped. They can't go anywhere. They're trapped behind the blocks that I make. So I'll just unscrew this here for a second just to show you how it works. But these slide behind here. You can't get them out. So they're always going to be in there like that. So it makes it really handy for whenever you're changing wheels, so the stuff doesn't fall apart on you. You just pull the axle out, slip your wheel out, slip your new tire in, and you're done. Uses the stock GSXR1000 axle. There's no fancy axle needed. So on the other side's the same way. It's trapped in there as well. That won't fall out. So the axle just comes out, and then you can put it back together and you're done. So, and I also make, if you want to be really super cool, I make a bracket, a caliper hanger bracket for a brembo brake caliper, for the little monoblock calipers. So this traps itself on the axle, and you can put a new brembo brake caliper on it, and it's already set up for the wheel speed sensor for the GSXR, so you don't lose traction control or anything like that. So this thing, see if we can do this without it all falling apart. So this slides up into here. You can see, actually obviously how this all goes together. There we go. Anyway, I'm working with one hand and holding the camera with the other. So there you go. Brembo brake caliper bracket. You can buy along with it if you want that as well too. Or this whole system works with the stock brake hanger. You don't have to change anything. So that's about it. So give me a call if you want to run the stuff. And this all works with the stock wheel. Like I said, it reutilizes the stock axle, so no modifications at all, except just for the swing arm, putting the new blocks, welding the new blocks into the swing arm. And that's about it for today. Quick video, and hopefully there's 1 million people out there who are going to buy these things. Yeah, right. Oh, you like my blowers? All right. Thanks for watching. Oh, there's one more. Let's do this one too. Oh, shit. Meat grinder. Anyway, thanks for watching. Having a little bit of fun. We'll talk to you later.